Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your trusted source for timeless automotive stories, in-depth reviews, and the latest updates from the world of cars and bikes. Today, we turn our attention to a practical and affordable people mover that's set to make waves in the Indian market, the 2026 Mahindra Jeeto van 7-seater. Known for its compact design, durability, and cost efficiency, the Jeeto van evolves into a smarter, safer, and more versatile option for both families and fleet operators. The 2026 Jeeto van carries forward its compact van silhouette but now features a refreshed front fascia with modern touches. A wider grille, clear lens headlights, and bolder lines give it a more confident road presence. Step inside, and the cabin has been reworked to comfortably seat 7 passengers, with enhanced headroom and legroom. The improved ergonomics, dual-tone interiors, and multiple storage spaces make it not just functional but also pleasant for everyday use. Under the hood, the Jeeto van retains its reliable small-capacity petrol and CNG engine options, now upgraded to meet the latest emission standards. The engine is tuned for maximum fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both urban commutes and intercity runs. Smooth gear shifts, improved suspension, and a strengthened chassis ensure a more stable and comfortable ride, even when fully loaded with 7 passengers. Mahindra has equipped the 2026 Jeeto van with enhanced safety features to meet evolving customer needs. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminders, and improved crash protection make it safer than ever before. On the technology front, a digital instrument cluster, mobile charging ports, and an optional infotainment system provide a touch of modern convenience. The biggest strength of the Jeeto van lies in its practicality. With sliding doors for easy access, a flexible seating layout, and a compact footprint for maneuverability in tight city spaces, it appeals to families, schools, and commercial operators alike. Add to that its low running costs and Mahindra's service network, and the Jeeto van continues to be a value-driven choice. The 2026 Mahindra Jeeto van 7-seater builds on its proven strengths while introducing modern upgrades in design, safety, and efficiency. It stands as an ideal blend of affordability and practicality, ready to serve both personal and commercial needs in the years to come.